Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'll show you how to flash CM12 based custom ROMs on Moto G 2nd generation. So before we proceed, make sure your device has unlocked bootloader, and if not, please watch my previous video of Moto E where I showed you how to unlock the bootloader and then come back here. And one important thing, before you proceed or watch this video, please watch my video on how to fix network issues on CM12 for Motorola devices, because you may encounter network issues as many users are experiencing network issues when they flash CM12 on stock Lollipop. So once you watch that video, come back here and then proceed. So let's begin. So once you are in TWRP menu, go to backup. So you need to backup your current ROM, because in case if anything problem occurs, you can restore it easily. For that, check all the boxes and then swipe to backup. So here you can see storage, external SD card. So here you can see where the location where you want to backup. Please choose either USB or OTG if you have, or external SD card. So don't back up to internal storage because you will lose it. Then after you back up, go back and now go to wipe. So you need to wipe and format everything on your mobile. So go to wipe, that is the first option, and choose format data, and here you need to enter yes to continue, and then go. So it will wipe everything on your mobile, and come back now and choose advanced wipe. So here choose tick every boxes except OTG and external SD card. So it will wipe everything, cache, data, internal storage, so everything. You need to wipe this. So once the wipe is completed, go back. So once everything you have wiped, choose install, and here you can see the storage where you have all the files. So I have connected a USB OTG here, so I'll choose it and then press OK. So here are my files. This is the ROM, that is CM Resurrection Remix Lollipop ROM that I am going to flash now. So choose that. And then swipe and wait until it finishes. So once if it shows success, you need to wipe cache and Dalvik. So wipe it and come back. Now, so to avoid network issues, please root your mobile, because many users are experiencing network issues on CM12. So I suggest you to root. For that, go to install and choose update SuperSU. So this is the SuperSU which will root your mobile now. So click on that and flash it. Now go back and now reboot your system, and once you reboot, see if network appears. So if you don't get the network, then I have uploaded a video on how to get back the network. So please watch it and continue the procedure to get back the network. So you need to reboot now. So reboot the system and wait until it reboots completely. Don't worry if you see this warning, it's common. So this is the new boot animation of your current ROM that you have flashed. And also don't worry if it takes more time to reboot. Just leave it until it reboots. So here you can see this is taking very long time to boot. So actually it is stuck in boot loop. So what you can do is switch off your phone by holding down the power button until it is power off. So go back to TWRP menu by following the commands you followed before, and wipe data and cache, and then reboot your mobile. So once you reboot the second time, it will successfully reboot into the system. So do it. So if you are stuck in boot loop, what you can do is come back to TWRP recovery menu and then So this is the TWRP menu. You can come to TWRP recovery menu by following the commands you followed before. So once you are in TWRP menu, choose wipe and choose advanced wipe. Here you need to wipe the Dalvik cache, data and cache. So these are the three options you need to wipe. So after selecting swipe to wipe, so go back and now reboot your system. So it has to boot successfully this time and wait until it boots successfully. So this time it will reboot successfully, and it's common that or sometimes it happens that you will be stuck in boot loop for the first time. So for that you need to wipe cache, Dalvik cache and data and reboot your system back, and it will be fine then, and wait until it reboots. So as you can see here, for the second time it booted successfully. So this is the common problem many users face. So do not panic, just do what I said before and you are good to go, and wait until it optimizes everything and check if you get the network or no. So once it reboots, just wait for a few minutes so that you can understand whether you will get the network or no. So here you can see I have locked the SIM. So watch my video on how to fix the network, so you'll understand why I locked the SIM cards. So here you can see I have got the network successfully. So that's why I said watch my video on how to fix the network before proceeding here. Only then you will be successfully boot into CMPL or any other CMPL ROMs like Resurrection, BlissPub, whatever. So any ROMs you flash, please make sure you watch my video on how to fix network. Only then come back here. And do not miss any steps that I showed you. Please follow all the steps. That don't miss routing. That's an important step. So once you are booted, go to about phone, and so here you can see, so you are on new Lollipop ROM. There you have it. I showed you how to successfully flash CMPL ROMs or any other Lollipop based custom ROMs on your Motorola devices without network issues. So follow the guidelines carefully and enjoy your new ROM on Moto G2. So that's it, and thanks for watching my videos, and keep watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more and more, and that's it. So this is Lokesh from Silver Droid. Goodbye.